Hiya, welcome back. Let's cook dinner together. Let's start with the chicken. I already washed mine with lime and vinegar. What I like to do is tuck the little wing behind so it creates like a nice wing. I don't know how you do yours, but this is how I do mine. I like to press it firmly like so to make sure that it doesn't come out. Today I will be seasoning my chicken with some salt. I'm also adding some complete seasoning. Some garlic salt. Pinch of ground ginger and a pinch of ground clove. And some seasoned oil. I'm gonna finish it off with some green seasoning. I'm gonna mix well and set aside. To make our rice, we're gonna add a couple tablespoons of olive oil. Then we're gonna add some mixed vegetable. I'm using some canned vegetable, but if you have the frozen one, you can also use it. We're gonna add 1 tablespoon of green seasoning for a good tasty rice, and we're gonna mix everything together. I'm using 2 cups of washed basmati rice. I'm gonna mix well, and then I'm gonna season my rice using sazon, the one with the achiote. I am not Spanish, so you know exactly what I mean, to achieve that beautiful golden yellow rice. So I mixed everything well, but I wasn't satisfied with the color, so I added some turmeric powder, some ground turmeric powder. If you want, you can also add a second packet of sazon, but I didn't want to do that, so I added turmeric. I always say this, the secret to perfectly cooked rice is measurement. So for 2 cups of rice, I use 3 cups of water. And as always, don't forget to taste your pot. I tasted mine and it was missing a little bit of salt, so I added it. I gave it a taste and now I'm gonna let it come up to a boil on high heat. If only you could smell this rice. It was so yummy. So I hope you try this recipe at home. We're gonna give it a stir after 10 minutes and we're gonna reduce our heat to medium. Give your rice a stir when the water is almost gone, and we're going to turn down our heat to low and let our rice steam. After 15 minutes on low, our rice is ready, guys. It is perfectly cooked. Give it a stir. Make sure that nothing is sticking on the bottom, and you can also give it a taste. Set your golden yellow rice aside and let's move on to our wings. Grab yourself a frying pan and then we're going to add 3 tablespoons of oil as well as 3 tablespoons of sugar. We're going to let that caramelize and then we're going to add our chicken wings. So I lost the clip of when I added my chicken wing, but add your chicken wing and cover your pan for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, our chicken will spring forth some juices and it will be beautifully browned. Look at that. Cover it up for another 5 minutes and let the other side brown. Now that our chicken is browned on both sides, we're gonna build up some flavors. So I'm gonna add some water, some seasoned water. So that's the bowl in which our chicken was marinating. And then I'm gonna add some barbecue sauce, some tomato paste, and to finish I'm gonna add some sriracha sauce. I'm gonna mix everything well, and then I'm gonna add some more water and some more green seasoning. Flip your chicken every now and then so that it can be evenly cooked on both sides. Cover and let it boil. Let's build even more flavor by adding some dried thyme, some dried parsley, and some dried oregano. And please don't do as I did. Add your dried herbs directly to your sauce because I was having a hard time mixing it in. I'm gonna finish off my sauce by adding some bay leaves. I'm gonna give it a taste to make sure that everything is right. Mine was missing some salt, so I added some salt. And then I'm gonna let it boil for about 15 minutes. And then our brown stewed chicken will be ready. There you have it, guys. Our sauce has reduced and is thick and nice. Serve yourself a nice plate of food. Here is mine. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And as always, see you next time.